Hello modders and welcome back to Learning to Mod FTL. So we've learned how to make basic custom weapons, drones and augments by grabbing blueprints, renaming them and editing the stats. In this episode we'll be going over how to copy over weapons from other mods. In this particular case the Arsenal plus overhaul mod, which I've loaded up here. Let me just show a few ships in there. We'll be showing the easiest way to do this in this episode. That means without changing any of the arts. In episode 5, I'll show you how you can recolor the images and how to change the code accordingly, among other things. But for now, enjoy episode 4. Now the fun part, custom art. And you'll see how terrible custom art is. Okay, so custom weapon, what do you want? Again, I got laser, ion flak, and beam.
Let's see where. Let me look at your files because that was under. Let's see. Was that weapons and drones that you sent me?
Weapons.
Okay, let's see.
Just it's in the care package.
Oh, it's in the care package. Okay, weapons. Here we go. Okay, cool. So
first one's the beam. Second one, the ion flak. Third one is the laser.
Oh, okay. The rail driver is the laser.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. What would be a cool one? Laser. The rail shots look really cool. The ions look really cool. Man, these all look pretty awesome. Wow, I like the beam for the artillery, but I think for the laser thing, I think I want to do the rail driver image that you gave me.
No, that's also the easiest one because it's not recolored.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, whilst you're here anyway, you can copy rail driver glow and rail driver shots.
Okay.
Those will go into...
Just copy that file, those two files?
Yeah, those two files, and they need to go into... Let's see, let me open up the actual mod on my end. It's really handy to have a cheat sheet.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm glad you're helping me because there's no way I could do all this stuff on my own.
Yeah, I mean, I have the mod with all... If it actually all turns to dust, I can still send that one. So you have something to play at least.
Yeah.
All right, so you want to go put those into images, then weapons.
Images in my modded thing, right?
Yeah.
So images.
So images, then weapons.
So am I creating a new thing for weapons?
Yes.
Okay, so new folder. And just lowercase weapons?
Yep.
Okay. Weapons, okay. Okay, so there's the glow and the shot and the weapons.
All right, cool. That's it for all we need to do here. So now we get to go dig into the Arsenal code.
Oh.
So yes, all the weapons here are courtesy of Arsenal.
Okay, nice.
All right, so first things first, you need the blueprint name. I'm assuming you can guess which ones that's going to be.
So this would be under the relevant Arsenal files.
Yeah, data.
Data, okay, and then blueprints. Okay.
Yep.
All right, so I'm looking for rail driver, maybe?
Yep, that's the name.
Okay, so there's the rail driver. And so this is the code I need right here, I guess.
Yep.
Okay. Do I start at rail driver under weapon blueprint name?
Yeah, weapon blueprint name.
Okay. So we want to go down to, whoops, and then end weapon blueprint, I guess, there. Okay, so I copy that. And am I creating a new notepad in my thing as well?
You have a blueprints file in your mod as well.
Oh, okay.
Already.
So I can use the, the data, the blueprint, not the DLC blueprint.
Yeah, the normal blueprint. You found in blueprints, so it goes into blueprints.
Okay. Hey, Saucer gifted a sub to Dark Dragon. Thanks so much for that. Okay.
Just throw it along at the bottom there.
Okay, just at the very bottom is fine.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So that is weapon blueprint for the rail driver.
Cool.
Oh wait, I have rail driver. Should I get rid of that first line that says rail driver?
You can.
Okay. Okay. Okay, there's that.
All right. Considering this is already a custom weapon, you don't have to rename the blueprint. You will have to replace the placeholder weapon with the blueprint name.
Okay. So I'll need this rail
flak or whatever it is you put on there needs to be replaced with the rail driver.
Okay, so rail driver. And then that's going to be under my...
It should be in blueprints, the one you were in.
Oh, okay, it was the one I was in. Okay. So let's see. Okay, yeah, I had weapons. Okay, laser
Should be
burst
at the
3.
bottom of the, yeah.
So if I replace that with rail driver. Okay,
Okay.
cool.
All right.
Close
Well,
that.
you can now start messing with the rail driver.
Let me.
So,
I have all these things open. Let me close all of them so I don't accidentally mess one up. Okay, so now I can change the rail driver. That's in my blueprints, the stats with that one.
yes.
Okay. So it's
Unless you're happy with what it is right now, but
let's see. This advanced weapon propels sharp ionized metal slugs, hypersonic speeds, piercing weak shields, and unloading massive damage. If I don't want it to pierce shields,
then you can change SP to 0.
let's see, SP to 0. Cool. Okay. And this one did 2 ion. I don't.
And 4 regular damage.
Holy crap. Okay, we don't want that. Because I have this crazy OP beam. I feel like I want like a 2-shot laser that does like 1 damage each. So, well, I guess I could do something cool like 1 regular damage, 1 ion. This is going to be a little OP. And have it be maybe a 2-power weapon. Wow, this was a full breach chance. So I don't want it to... Is 8... How does breach chance work with the number?
Times 10 gives you the percentage.
Okay, so I could do like a 10% chance to breach. 10% chance for fire.
It makes sense. I mean, let me just bring up another blueprint here. Let's see. In the meantime, you can keep going, like change costs and stuff like that.
Yeah, let's see here.
Descriptions and stuff.
Yeah, and the cooldown. I don't... let's make this like a... It's pretty freaking OP. Let's do 14-second cooldown. Let's see here. Let's see. And description. This is going to be a... Actually, I don't even know what to call this, so I'll just... Saucer get to this set of Dark Dragon too. Holy crap. No, Fiddle Diddle subscribing. Thank you, Fiddle Diddle. You've been released from Saucer's Gifted Sub. Now you can subscribe of your own free will. Nice, Fiddle. Okay. Let's do... doing small ion and hull damage. So that's... and I want this to be 2 shots. 2 shots that do 1 ion damage. Where's the actual damage? Did I already change that? Shield piercing 0, ion 1, damage 1. There it is. Okay, rarity 5.
So what I was going with, it made sense to have a high breach chance because if you look at speed, which in this rail driver is 160. For instance, the regular hull laser has a speed of 75.
Oh, wow. Okay. I don't want it to travel quite that fast then. So if I want it like burst laser speed, it's what? Probably like 75, 80, something like that?
Yeah, probably. It doesn't mention the base, so like for the hull laser, it shows it, but for the burst lasers, it doesn't.
Oh, interesting. Okay. So I have 2 shots, does 1 ion, 1 regular damage, 80 speed, small fire, breach chance, 14 cooldown, 2 power. This is going to be pretty OP, but I'm okay with that. Okay, cool.
If you want to switch rarity, you can. 0 means not available, 1 means common, 5 means legendary, in between quotes.
Okay. Let's do like a 2 for this then. Okay. Saucer's actually my drug dealer. You give away the freebies to get you hooked. That's funny. Okay, cool. So I don't need to change anything else, right? Just those numbers and I'm good?
Yeah, I think that's it. I mean, there's the description and the normal. Right?
Yeah, I changed description. I don't know that I want to change much of the other flavor text just because this weapon isn't representing anything that I can remember from the movie, so...
fine with me.
Okay.
I mean, it's kind of stupid to call it launching metal slug at hypersonic speed if you just cut the speed in half, but
Well, you know what? It's space. It's still hypersonic speed.
sure, let's go with that. Right, keep the blueprint open. We're now going to be digging for animations.
Okay. All right, so that'll
So,
be in.
animations.xml, and this is the most annoying file you ever need to dig in, I think.
Okay. So we're going to open this one with Notepad. Call it demi hypersonic speeds. Okay. All right.
Personal files, data, animation.xml.
Okay. So am I looking for? Let's see. Is there an
All right,
animation?
so if you look at your weapon blueprint,
Uh-huh.
let me get the blueprint myself. At some point, you'll see weapon art rail driver. Right?
Let's see. Title. Where's weapon art?
Should be at the bottom.
Weapon art rail driver. Yeah. So I copy paste that to find it.
No, you look for rail driver.
Okay.
Well, rail underscore driver.
Right. So copy that. Okay. Where is that? Okay. So anim sheet rail driver shot, all that stuff.
Yeah, you'll see in the line that's currently selected, you'll see rail driver. Oh, that's convenient. They're all next to each other. So you'll have anim sheet rail driver, the anim rail driver shot, followed by anim sheet rail driver, and then weapon anim rail driver.
Yes, I do that. I do that.
You need that entire block going, starting at anim sheet name rail driver to the second / weapon anim.
Okay. Okay. Cool. So that'll get us the rail driver shot and the rail driver itself, I guess.
Weapon art itself. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So I copy that.
You could probably guess where that goes.
And can I just put that underneath the blueprint of the rail driver here?
You haven't found that code in blueprints, did you?
Let's see. No. So I need to create an animations thing then, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's see here. So that's going to be, is that going to be just under data?
Yep.
Okay. So we'll do a new text thing. I'm going to call this, let me see here, animations.xml.
Dot append.
Oh, okay. Animations.xml.append.
If you forget the append, it will just replace the animation file. Or so all the animations except those you put in there will be available to the game, and that usually doesn't end well.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Because, you know, this folder file appends.
Yeah, so it's like adding extra stuff to it, basically.
Okay, let me check the working one to see if you actually have all code for the animations.
Okay.
Because I think it is, at least for this weapon. On the bright side, beams don't have as many, so...
Okay.
There's that too.
Well, I have a new respect for anybody who, you know, modifies weapons and stuff. This is a lot of stuff you have to do.
We have to do a lot more if we're recoloring.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, a lot. We need to replace some names.
Okay.
Let's see. Data, animations, rail driver. Shot. Yep. Okay, that's all we need for this one.
Okay.
We're almost done. This
Okay,
one is special because it also has a custom launch sound.
Okay. Okay.
So in order to do that,
Is that also an animation, or is that something else?
We need to know what noise it makes first to know what we're looking for, don't we?
Oh, okay. I guess so. So I need
Check
to
the
go.
blueprint.
Let's see, a blueprint. So I have a hit shield sound, an explosion sound, a railgun sound.
Right. I'm already kind enough to done most of this for you, and I know that. Let me just get the rail driver here. So I know that the hit ship sound, that's vanilla. Hit shields, vanilla. Miss sound, vanilla.
Okay.
The only one that isn't is the launch sound.
Okay.
It says sound railgun.
Yeah. Okay.
So you want to go to the animations. No, you don't go to animations. No, you don't go to animations. You go to sound.xml.
Oh, okay. So there's actually a sound one. Okay. So let's see here. Sounds.xml. Okay.
And you look for rail driver.
Okay. Let's see. I think it was rail gun, wasn't it? Yeah, I think it was rail gun on this one. We just do rail. There's rail cannon. Rail gun.
Just if you don't know which one it is, just
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. Railgun.
Yeah, railgun.
Right, you want to copy that line?
Is it just this one single line here?
Yep.
Okay, cool. And I need to make it sounds.xml.append. Okay, so that's under new text document.
Oh, we're almost done.
Sounds.xml.append. Okay. And no, that's rooms or sounds. Okay. And if I just put that one line in there, that's all I need there.
Yep, you can save that.
Okay. Okay, cool. So that's the sound.
Now you notice what's in there, what it says in there. So Railgun Volume 4, and then what comes after that.
Kinetic4.wave.
You want to go hunt down that file.
Okay, is that also a sound, I guess?
Well, .wav is
Well,
usually
yeah, okay.
audio, right?
So I need to find that file.
Yep.
So it's under, let's see. So that would be under audio here, it looks like. Let's see, what was it? It was
Kinetic 4.
Kinetic 4, okay. Kinetic4.wave. Okay, cool. I forgot the first anim line. That might break it. What? Did I miss something? Okay. So this kinetic.4.wave, do I need to create an audio thing in my...
Well, if you look at your what's it called, the directory you're currently in, namely audio, waves,
weapons. I need to make that
you wanna
same
make
thing.
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Cool.
yeah, audio goes in there.
Okay, so that'll be audio. Hey, what's up, We Titans? How you doing, my friend? So there's audio, new folder, waves, new folder, weapons, and connect.4.wave. When you copied the weapon animation line, I skipped it. Okay, weapon animation line. Let me make sure.
It looks fine to me. You got the same lines of code that I have.
I think we're good on that. Well, I guess we'll find out if it just crashes or something. Okay, so that should be good. So I'm gonna close that one. So we got that Kinetic 4 wave file in that. So is that everything? Did we get everything?
Yep. Congratulations, you copied over your first custom weapon.
And who knows if it'll actually work.
It should work. I had zero issues copying over something wrong with them.
Okay. So we did a custom weapon. We did the custom drone.
Do you want the artillery?
Will it be as complicated as what we just did?
Yes and no. We won't need to look at sound, but we do need to replace this sound it uses.
Okay.
And we're gonna be modifying some names in the.
Let's.
Actually, I mean, if you don't care too much, I can just send you the code. I really don't mind.
If you have it there available, that's fine. If not, we can do it. I think I'd like to do it.
Well, yeah,
Just to
I
give
have
it a
it.
shot. Okay. I don't need to change anything on that, right?
No, the only thing you still need to do at this point is go back to blueprints and change weapon that is used as artillery.
Okay, right. And I need to get the right name of it. So.
And then there's just some fun stuff we still need to do. But hey, congrats! The worst part is over, so to speak.
Is the name of it the BA Beam Schwartz?
Yes, that's the weapon blueprint, and you want to put that in artillery. Use the blueprint because you need the
okay.
Use the blueprint name.
Okay, let's see. So I need to go under my blueprints. Wait, did I put it in my blueprints?
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah. Okay, there it is. So it's this BA Beam Schwartz one.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
the
the
BA
one.
Beam Schwartz thing. Then you scroll up, find artillery. It should be the first system listed.
All right, artillery. Let's see here. Artillery power, image.
Under system list. Yeah, weapon equals beam 1. Replace that beam.
Weapon equals.
You've already passed it. It's the first system listed.
Okay, hold on one second. Let me. Artillery power, beam. There, weapon equals. There it is. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. BA beam Schwartz.
All right. You can save. We just need to do some small quality of life stuff.
Okay.
Let's see. Text, that's fine. I sent you that text underscore misc XML append.
Let's see. Text. Yes.
All right. You can copy that over.
Oh, okay. That one. And is that just into the data folder?
Yeah, just in the data folder.
Okay, cool.
Wait. No, it's fine. It's fine. Go ahead. Okay, you can open it. And you can type in a custom death message.
Okay.
This is the one I picked, but of course you can change.
Let's see here. We'll just say, I guess the Schwartz wasn't with us. And that's all I'll do. That's good.
All right.
Okay.
What else? We need to do something extra to Prince, I believe.
You admire my patience, Fiddle Diddle. Well, I've never done this, and having somebody help me do it means,
care package.
we're doing it right, and not me screwing it up and not having a clue. So
I actually put it in there. Okay, I've got a care package I sent.
let's see here. I'll go from here. That was under games, Slipstream, unpack game files, care package. Okay.
Go to optional. And open up Blueprints XML append.
Okay.
The code you find in there is the thing that makes artillery purchasable. The last one in there gives the cost. So if you want that more expensive, cheaper, whatever you want.
Okay. So should I just copy this entire thing?
Yep. The entire thing, and you can throw it in at the bottom.
Okay. Yeah, I don't care about cost. I'm fine with that. And so I just copy that into my blueprints here. So, oops. So that makes it. So if I didn't start with artillery, this would allow me to buy the artillery at a store. Okay.
Okay. Final thing. What was it?
Hey, what's up, Johan? It's good to see you.
Tips. That's the file I sent you afterwards. Should be another misc XML.append, I think.
Okay, so that was in the one you just sent me a bit ago?
Yeah.
So that's in my downloads.
Well, yesterday, but...
Oh, which one was it?
It's just a file called text misc XML. Sent it yesterday.
Yes.
All right. You can just open that one because you already have one. Okay, so that's where you... Tips. You're not using that on FLAC, so you can delete that code.
Okay. So no FLAC. Okay.
The beam one, I don't think you'll see because it's artillery.
Okay.
The one for laser, that's your rail drive. So a tip for the rail drive or whatever you want.
Where does this appear in the game? What is this?
It's when you are hovering over it when viewing the weapon itself,
in the weapons screen. Okay.
Yeah, like normal tips like, oh, ion weapons don't deal system damage, but
okay.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay. This rail driver does small ion and hull damage. Totally balanced. That's what I'll put. Okay. And then I'm just do I just copy this file into
copy the code because you already have a misc XML, I believe.
Oh, do I? Okay. Yes, I do. Okay, cool. Into the append one. Okay.
That's it.
All right,
you
nice.
Can move on to testing. Ugh.
Okay. So so all that all this stuff is in a
should be like 3 folders now.
Yeah, Rand Winnebago. So how do I turn this into a .ftl file?
Select all 3.
And
then like add to zip. I don't know how you do that with your thing.
Okay, so I have 7-zip. So let me load up 7-zip and see if I can zip those together. So can I add? No, let's see here. So it's not extract. I want to put them together. So it's probably the add. I need to Or I can right-click and send to zip file. Oh, let me try it. Let me see if that'll work. Let me copy these and paste just in case I screw something up here. I don't want to screw this up here. Right-click, send to compressed zip folder. Okay, and we call this Rand Winnebago. Okay, so it's a zip folder, and now if I rename it as an FTL file.
Yep, you can load it as
Okay.
Slipstream.
The FTL.
The only thing I'm kind of worried about is that there's something wrong with the...
With the what?
I think we may have messed something up with the drone. Just test it and see what
Okay,
happens.
yeah, we'll give it a try and see what see what happens.
That's really how it goes. I've booted up FTL so many times just to see if something...
See if it worked. Alrighty, well, let's see if our first ship works here. What's interesting to me, and then I didn't realize this about modding, or at least this type of this extensive modding, is that you don't do everything in superluminal when you do things like.
Yeah, superluminal is only good for base stuff. Make your hulls there, your gibs and stuff. But if you do anything custom weapon-wise, you have to do it outside.
Okay, so let's give this one a try. I have even more respect for all you wonderful people who send me ships. So, Rand Winnebago. And we'll load it like we always do with the music one you gave me and the extended pursuit indicator. Oh, did you tell me how to do that, Isiliax? I don't know. I'm not reading chat as much since I'm talking to Biohazard, so I apologize for people if I'm not immediately responding. Alrighty, let's see if this works. Totally balanced. Yes, the stuff that I create, totally balanced. Okay. Well, that was 2 hours of creating a ship. Let's see if this works. Supposed to... there's my ship, the Winnebago. Okay. Famous Winnebago, flown by Lone Star to fight the Spaceballs. Known for its connection with the Schwartz. Accompanied by his trusty sidekick Barf, he joins Princess Vespa and her droid Dot Matrix to fight the rebels. Hey, my ship is in the game. That's awesome. All right. Now you know who puts in effort and who takes the easy route? Yes. So the rail driver, I guess it's the graphic is kind of messed up.
Yeah, we're missing something.
And the Schwartz drone is, looks like a beam drone, so that's right.
Did you leave it at 3 power?
The Schwartz drone, I think I did, yes. I think I need to give the ship more power, though, to power these things.
We can do that easy enough.
Yeah.
We need to find out what the problem is.
So something's wrong with the rail driver. Let me load up and see. Okay,
see if it fires at least.
Okay. Okay, so it's powered. And I'll need to give, I think, 1 more power, probably. All right, let's see if we can fire this weapon. Look at this lovely Winnebago flying through space. That's awesome. Okay, let's just get a fight so we can see if the rail driver fires and if it makes the right sounds and all that. Okay. Hey, shields are working correctly, and other stuff's working. Don't have
Send
my
out the
weapons
drone
please.
as well while you're at it.
Yeah, I'll test it after I fire because the drone's gonna probably one-shot him. Okay, it looks right.
Was the sound okay?
Yeah, it went pop pop like a cannon or something. Okay.
Drone seems to be working.
Yeah, so I think everything's working except for the image for the weapon. I think that's right. So if I save and quit here.
I'm just going to copy my code over. It's probably like a typo or something.
Okay, so what will I need to replace for that? Is it an image file?
See if the names of the images are the same and stuff.
Okay, so it's probably the BA beam Schwartz strip. Actually, wasn't there a third?
Yeah, but that's the artillery.
Okay. So maybe it's this.
I'm sure the artillery is going to be fine because beams are hard to mess up.
Okay, so it's going to be data. It's going to be. Which one is it going to be? Is it going to be under blueprints or?
You have the one I sent. cheat sheet that you picked apart?
Let's see.
Yeah, that's
So I see the rail driver here. So is it
right.
the
I think it's probably the animation sheets. If something goes wrong, it's usually
the animation
they
sheets?
are to
Okay.
blame. Yeah. So remove everything related to the rail driver, copy the stuff I have.
Okay. So all this rail driver stuff I'm deleting. And where am I getting the real one?
Get it from my mod that I sent.
Okay. So that was under, let me see here. Let me open a new thing here. The one that you just sent today.
Well, yeah, the full-on mod.
Okay, so downloads, open new window. All right, what did you send today? Winnebago, not care package. Well, what
Probably
is?
WinZip.
Is it the weapons that you?
I think it's WinZip.
This one here. Okay, yeah. So data, animations. BA Beam Schwartz. That was for the artillery.
Yeah,
Oh, I
it's
didn't
the
add
last few.
Okay, so it's these two right here.
Driver shots and such. Yeah.
Okay. No, I forgot to have it start with artillery, so I'll probably need to buy artillery then. So I need. That was animations.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I got rid of this one. Okay, rail driver shots. So I'm. It actually looks exactly the same as what I just had.
It does. Or okay, one less image. You should have those.
Because I have the. For the weapons, I have the BA beam Schwartz. You know what? The BA beam is the artillery beam.
They will not mess up the rail drive.
Yeah, but the rail driver glow and the rail driver shot is here, but I don't have the actual rail driver weapon in here.
Right.
That's what I think it is. I was like, when I saw those two, I was like, yeah, there was this other one, and I didn't copy it. So that should be under.
Yeah, the image is missing. That might be a problem.
Yeah, missing image, kind of an important thing. So that was under.
Grab it from my mod, I guess.
Let's see. So that was under images, weapons, rail driver.png. That's kind of an important one. Copy, paste. There we go. So that should hopefully do it. So now I need to, okay, so that's there. So now I need to repack and replace the thing. So
every time you make something, you forget something. It's unavoidable. You can never have a mod work from the first
I know,
time.
right? So we're going to, what was it? Send to compress zip folder. Calling it rand Winnebago. We're going to call it .ftl. Okay, we're going to copy that, put it in my mods, and paste.
Didn't you need to mess with starting power and such?
Oh yes, can I? How do I do that and still?
Go back to blueprints.
Okay, let's see here. Rand Winnebago blueprints. Okay.
It should be somewhere in there. Let me start it up myself.
Power.
Blueprints. Blah 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 blah.
Start false.
It's above crew count. So scroll down until you find the crew composition.
Crew count. Okay, max power 8.
Yeah.
So if I want to add, what did I say? 1 power, just make it 9.
Yep.
Okay. Who needs weapon images anyway? Who needs them, right? As long as the weapon works, right? Okay.
I mean, funny you would mention that, but Arsenal does use like mystery boxes for its weapons, which is real fun if you're fighting enemy ships. Like all their weapons look the same.
Oh, really? So you don't know what they're actually attacking you with?
Yeah.
Until they fire it and it does the damage, I guess.
Yeah, and even that's like, okay, that's a missile. What does that missile do?
Bago.ftl. Okay, cool. So let's see if this one works here. Mods. Delete that guy and paste. Okay, let's try to load up this one and see if this one works. Okay. If this one works, I'll probably take a short break and then we'll actually play it. See if our created ship actually works here. Again, Biohazard, thank you so much for walking me through this and helping me with this. This is awesome.
Hey, anything that gives us modders a little bit of respect, right?
Oh yeah, it gives you some exposure, gets you some, chance for people to see all the work you put in. Oh, there's something at the top left of my screen. I don't know what that. Oh, that might just be Discord. Actually, never mind.
Could be. Yeah.
Discord likes to do little overlays when you're playing video games, I think. Okay. It now looks like a burst laser 2? What? It seems like it.
You loaded in the wrong one because the beam is normal as well.
Okay. All right. So I loaded in. Yes. Because I have a complete. I think I might have done the complete because I have a Rand Winnebago complete, which is what? Which is the wrong. Is that what I just did? Oh my gosh, I have too many mods here, too many ships. Yes, there it is. That was the wrong one. Okay. Okay, let's see if that one works. I'm only paying him for his hard work and exposure. I don't know people who accept that as currency.
Somebody donated some bits in my name, so.
Yeah, you stream, right, Biohazard?
Yeah, but I'm not affiliated.
Well, next time you stream, we'll have to somehow PayPal you some bits or something. Hey, there it is. There's a rail driver. Okay. All right, so I think we have a completed ship. This is awesome. So I think I'm gonna take a quick break, and then we're gonna play our ship and see how OP it is and if everything works with the master Biohazard setting it up.
Well, at this point, you could probably do it all on yourself next time, right? I still have
yeah, I don't know if I'll remember all that stuff. I mean, I could probably do everything except the modded weapons and modded drones.
Yeah, that's the difficult part.
Yeah.
Digging through the code.
Yeah, digging through the code and not totally screwing it up.
Well,
Celebration.
keep in mind, I have an Ion Flak blueprint waiting, so if you ever need a weapon.
So if I need new weapons, I should just use the ones you've already created because that's much easier than...
Well, I mean, you're still doing the same thing, but you don't have to dig through what files you have. I mean, if you open the blueprints or the animations in Arsenal, you get animation for 700 weapons. So.
All right, cool. Well, really quick, I'm gonna stretch to use the restroom. Thank you again, Biohazard. Biohazard. This has been awesome. I think this will be a really cool, thing for people to learn how to do it.
It's been fun to do.
Cool.
Well, I guess I can leave the call as well and just sit back in the audience while you do that.
And chill out. And again, Biohazard, this is awesome. Hopefully, if I can ever join you on your stream and do some stuff, I'll definitely love to repay you that way too.
Well, I mean, if you do upload this to YouTube, I might as well.
Oh, I will give you all the credit in the YouTube video for sure.
Well, yeah, but I'll upload it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, absolutely. That'll be great. Well, cool, man. I'm gonna drop out of the call. Thanks again. You're awesome.
Yeah. Goodbye.
All right. All right, guys, I'm going to stand up, stretch, use the restroom. When I come back, we're going to play our Winnebago Eagle 5 ship. I hope y'all are enjoying the modded FTL modded stream.
And that is it. This concludes the bulk of the guide. We now have a mod consisting of a ship mod that comes with a custom drone and custom weapon. With all this information, you're now equipped to start building your own ship. So go grab superluminal and create, experiment, but most importantly, test to your heart's content. For free, let both me and Rand know of any custom ships you've made, and if they suit our fancy, we'll definitely showcase them on our respective channels. I prefer my ships balanced. Rand doesn't mind overpowered ships. Now keep in mind, this guide isn't over yet. There's still the addendum episode 5, where I'll be going over stuff we didn't do in this one. That includes stuff like recoloring and renaming code. Accordingly, the thing about system rarity, talking about artillery in depth, room stacking and why you shouldn't do it, door links, adding mods together in one single pack, and much more. See you then, modder.